You are not supposed to get rich. They've built the system to keep you out. You have one last window before the next crypto boom. Miss it, and you'll spend the next decade watching others build the life you wanted. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, 2025 has unveiled new opportunities and challenges. As markets fluctuate and innovations emerge, which digital assets are poised to make significant strides? Today, we delve into the top 5 cryptocurrencies that could potentially skyrocket this year. Avalanche, known for its high throughput and low latency, has been making waves in the DeFi space. With its unique consensus mechanism and growing ecosystem, AVAX is attracting developers and investors alike. In an era where data privacy is paramount, Monero stands out with its focus on secure and untraceable transactions. As concerns over digital surveillance grow, XMR's value proposition becomes increasingly relevant. Solana has carved a niche in the NFT and gaming sectors, thanks to its high-speed transactions and low fees. Despite facing network outages, SOL's resilience and developer community keep it in the spotlight. XRP aims to revolutionize cross-border payments, offering faster and more cost-effective solutions than traditional systems. With ongoing legal battles nearing resolution, XRP's future looks promising. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, continues to dominate the market. With institutional adoption on the rise and macroeconomic factors at play, BTC's trajectory remains a focal point for investors. These 5 cryptocurrencies each offer unique value propositions and face distinct challenges. As the crypto landscape evolves, staying informed is crucial. Subscribe for more in-depth analyses and updates on the ever-changing world of digital assets.